Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. So, beautiful Skoda Octavia. It's a 2-litre TDI Scout, DSG automatic, so it's the 4-wheel drive Scout version. Got a removable tow bar as well. Euro 6 ULEZ compliant start-stop automatic. Cambelt replaced at 68,000 miles. Covered a total of 85,000 miles, and it's advertised at the price of £11,295. I think you'll see from the videos and the pictures, it is mint. So, Skoda Scout, attractive, good looking cars these, chunky bumpers. You can see it's got front park sensors, daytime running lights, front fog lamps, headlamp washers. Lovely aluminium roof rails, privacy glass, body side mouldings, all the tyres are like new. There's the removable tow bar and rear park sensors. Now, the wheels are immaculate. So, 85,000 miles, very good service history. Cambelt replaced, 2-litre TDI engine, 4-wheel drive, automatic, leather suede sports seats. Embossed with the word Scout. Very, very, very nice interior. Lovely multifunction steering wheel. So there we're on the DAB digital radio. Obviously it's got Bluetooth for your phone. It has got satellite navigation. Everything you wish for. Down there it's got city steering for parking. Climate control, air conditioning's nice and cold. Fitted mats, cruise control, lots of leg room in the back, and a huge boot, really clean in there. So the boot has had a load liner in from new Scout. There's a bumper guard on there, load cover. This is a load liner. Under there it is as new, and under there is a spare wheel, jack, wheel brace, tool kit, all present. And now, really big boot. That is really deep. It's a huge boot. Okay. No marks at all on the bodywork. I don't know why I've left that window down, but anyway. 4 electric windows, electric mirrors, 2 keys, remote central locking, obviously. Absolutely immaculate wheels. New tyres, front disc and pads and brakes don't look very old. It's not stone chipped. Real smart. Electric mirrors, electric windows, automatic headlamps, 2 keys, lane assist. 85,000 miles, satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth, obviously automatic. Super clean car. £11,295. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk. That's our website. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, you will get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You will be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today. Goodbye.